Hi, so here we're going to do some examples of Punnet squares to give you a bit more practice. So the first one we're going to look at is a plants example where big T is dominant, will be a tall plant, and a little t will be a small plant. So let's say both the father and the mother have this genotype. So both mother and father show tallness, okay? However, I would like to question you on what the child, the offspring, would show. So, here we would have this. So, the genotype of the offspring would be big T, that, and that. The phenotype would be 3 are tall and 1 is small. So you may get a question saying what probability what is the probability of the offspring being short? Your probability of it being short or small would be 1 in 4 or 25%. The probability of being tall, 3 out of 4 or 75%. Now let's try another example. The next example is about cystic fibrosis. Now, cystic fibrosis is an inherited recessive genetic disorder. So you can only have cystic fibrosis if you've got both the recessive types. So let's say capital C is not cystic fibrosis, whereas little c is cystic fibrosis. Okay? You can instantly see to have it, it is recessive. So, the father could have this. So the father's genotype is CC. His phenotype, he would not have it. Let's see the other side of that. The mother's genotype could be little c, so therefore she does have cystic fibrosis. Using the Punnet square, okay, you can see the 4 possibilities of the offspring. Now, the possible genotypes are this. So, if it is this one, it will not have cystic fibrosis. If it has this one, it will have cystic fibrosis. What is the probability the child will have cystic fibrosis? The chances it will are 2 out of 4 or 50%. Thanks.